Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a quick video to answer a couple of questions that a lot of people have been asking in the past 24 hours. So the WWDC Worldwide Developer Congress happened, where Apple of course announced all sorts of things. But what is important for Windows users is iTunes. A lot of people said, hey, iTunes going away, what's going to happen? I got my music in there. Okay, first of all, iTunes is moving away on Mac computers because they are splitting the iTunes app into different apps, one for music, one for podcasts, one for video. They are just breaking it down. Now, for Windows users, it's different. Actually, iTunes will simply survive. Apple did say that the Windows version of iTunes is going to continue to be updated and be available to users. That said, we gotta face the fact that iTunes is one of the worst piece of crap software I've ever seen for Windows, and you gotta think that Apple probably did that on purpose to try to lure people into other platforms. But anyways, if you have an iPhone or an iPad, you possibly might be using iTunes for several reasons. So it is going to continue to be available, so there's no problem there. If you have an iPhone and iPad and all of that, iTunes is not going away on Windows. Not for now. It doesn't mean it might never go away, but Apple did want to say that it's not really going away. As for versions of iTunes, they're just gonna maintain the version that is available right now, and have some small updates here and there, security updates, stuff like that. But don't expect any new major updates for sure, because if they're removing it from Macs, they're not gonna really update and make this better, or update it with new features on the Windows side. So for all Apple device users out there, not to fear, iTunes is here to stay on Windows for now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.